Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. Hope you are all good. So today in this class, I will discuss with you your lesson number 12, which is about money. So we all know about money. Money is used to buy and sell things. And Indian money, it is in the form of rupees and paise. And it is used in the form of coins and notes of different denominations. So here two pictures are shown. First one is the form of coins and next one is the form of notes. Now I will discuss with you how to convert paise into money, then how to convert rupees into paise. So first let us go through how to convert rupees into paise. So 99 rupees. We have to convert 99 rupees into paise. So we all know that 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. Therefore, 99 rupees equal to 99 into 100. So to convert rupees 99 into paise, we have to multiply it with 100. So 99 into 100, which is equal to 9900 paise. Next, how to convert paise into rupees. So we have to convert 5050 paise into rupees. So we know that 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. Therefore, 5050 paise, to convert it into rupees, we have to divide it by 100. So 5050 paise divided by 100, so the answer will be 50 rupees 50 paise. Next is write the following in words. So 12 rupees 50 paise is written as rupees 12 and 50 paise. Now how to write in short form using dot. So write in short form using dot. Rupees 7 and 92 paise. It will be, first we will write the symbol of rupee, then 7.92. Next, addition of money. So we add money in the same way we add numbers. It means that how we add numbers, in the same way we will add money. We will arrange them in columns in such a way that all the dots fall in one column. So write the given amounts in columns in such a way that all the dots fall in one column. Now let us go through one example. Let us add rupees 6435 and 85 paise, then rupees 1529 and 18 paise, and rupees 854 and 23 paise. So now first of all we'll arrange all the amounts in such a way that all the dots fall in one column as I have shown. Then we will add. So after adding all the three amounts, the answer will be rupees 8819 and 26 paise. Our next topic is subtraction of money. So we subtract money in the same way as we subtract the numbers. Means first of all we will arrange all the amounts in columns in such a way that all the dots fall in one column. After that we will subtract. So let us subtract rupees 885 and 25 paise from rupees 1595 and 50 paise. So first of all we will arrange in columns like 1595.50 minus 885.25. Now after subtracting the amounts, the answer is rupees 710 and 25 paise. Now next I will discuss with you about bills. So whenever we go to buy something or a lots of things from a grocery store or a large store or a mall, then after buying all the things, when we go to the counter, then the person in the counter, after calculating the amount or the price of all the things, he prepares a bill. He or she prepares a bill, and after that we pay the amount. So how these bills are prepared? Now we'll learn how these bills are prepared. So let us go through one example. So Madhavi bought the following items from a general store: a dinner set for rupees 845, a pillow for rupees 112.50, a bucket for rupees 90, soaps for rupees 76, and a hair oil for rupees 102. And she gave 4 200 notes and a 500 rupee note to the shopkeeper. So how much amount did she get back? Now first of all, we will prepare the bill, then we will calculate the amount. So we can prepare a bill as follows. We will as given. So dinner set is equal to rupees 845, then a pillow set is rupees 112.50, then a bucket rupees 90, then soaps rupees 76, and hair oil rupees 102. And after preparing the bill, we will calculate all the amounts. So after adding all the amount, the answer is rupees 1225.50. So this is the bill. Now we will calculate what amount of rupees she paid. So see, it is given in the question that she gave 4 200 notes and a 500 rupee note. So we will add all these amounts. We will add 4 200 rupees notes and 1 500 rupee note. So after adding, the answer is rupees 1300. Now we have to calculate how much amount she get back after paying rupees 1225 and 50 paise from 1300. So rupees 1300 minus rupees 1225 and 50 paise. So the answer is rupees 74 and 50 paise. So the amount she got back is rupees 74 and 50 paise. So here is the end of today's class. Now go through the video, note down all the important points and write down the questions in your copy using blue ink pen or blue gel pen, and don't forget to comment your name, roll number, class and section in the comment section. Thank you very much.